What is up, everyone? Alex Caves here. Once again, welcome to another Studio Caves Daily. Today, I am looking for a job, actually. Well, not a job per se, but a freelance gig. I recently signed up for this website called Upwork, which is a freelancing website where I can create a profile and people just submit jobs onto a board and I can bid on them to try to get it. So I'm gonna try that, see how that goes. Hopefully I'll get a couple that I can start working on right away so I can make some money to keep doing this. And when I get bored of that, I will move on to this foam and putting it up on the ceiling. So I've submitted 2 proposals so far, and I'm gonna take a quick break and have lunch with my dad, and then come back and do more of it, or find more of it and submit more of it. So I will see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call this a day. I've been at the computer for a very long time. I submitted a few proposals, so hopefully I get those here soon. I've been uploading some of the videos I edited earlier today, and yeah, I think I'm gonna call it good. Have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.